Pray every time I feel, can't do no different. Swear me I for win, that's why I'ma try again. Pray every time I feel, cause God always a listen.
Hey my dolls and divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a cloudy day outside, but I'll be doing a makeup look that brings a little sunshine into our day, even though it is dark outside, both from this lockdown and the place being overcast. So I'll be doing a bright, sparkly look for you today, and I hope you like it. Keep watching. As you see, I am now outlining my eyes, and I'm cleaning up so that I can now base my eyelid for that colorful glam that's coming up. So I had used my P. Louise base in white to base my eyes, and now I'm adding those glowing colors, as I am a very big fan and lover of colors. So I am now adding some glitters to this look. So I'm adding my favorite foundation, which is from Juvia's Place, full coverage. Mwah! Very nice foundation. I'm now contouring my face with my black opal foundation stick, adding some warmth to this look. So I'm now blending it all in, and I'm contouring my nose. Yes, I know I'm blessed with all that. Now I'm highlighting my face using my Juvia's Place foundation stick, and I'll be setting it all with my crown setting powder, and I'll be doing using two shades from my Warriors palette, Juvia's Place, as my blush for today, and I'm setting it all, setting it all, and I'm now gonna be adding some glitz and highlights to this look. Mwah! Look at that highlight. Lining my lips and giving that natural look using my Milani in my nude color. And today I'll be using my Mink Lash along with my 2-in-1 eyeliner. Both items are in store, guys. My Mink Lash and my 2-in-1 liner is available for sale. Link up. And I'm now, voila, we're done. My 2-in-1 is a liner and lash adhesive, so you don't need both, you just need one to go, and it's available in store, guys. Look at that. Mwah. So here's my finished look, all colorful, all glam, all slayed. Come on, guys, book your appointments, get slayed by K, and please do go and follow my subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm new at this, I'm just starting, but I do appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching, guys.